Welcome to Math Infinity. I have taken this question from NCERT Exemplar Class 10 Mathematics. Topic area related to circles. This is question number 9. In this question, a rectangle is given, that is A, B, C, D. Though figure is not explained, I am assuming that this is a rectangle, and the area which is given unshaded in between the figure. This can be divided into two parts. One, if I join these are semicircular ends. So if I join like this and name these vertices as PQRS, then PQRS is a rectangle and these two are semicircular ends of the same radii. So I divide this part, unshaded part, again into three subparts, that is part 1, 2 and 3. I have to find the area of this shaded region, that is green in color. Now to find this area of shaded region, let us see how can we find the area of shaded region. So area of shaded region is equal to area of rectangle ABCD, total area, minus area 1 plus 2 plus 3. If I subtract this area from this rectangle, I'll get the green shaded area. Now to find area 1 and 3, I need radius of the semicircles, and to find area of part 2, I need lengths PQ and QR. So let us find PQ and QR. As you can see, QR is equal to BC minus this length, that is 4 meter, minus 4 meter, that is 8 meters. Or this is equal to BC is total is BC equal to AD, that is 12 minus 8. So QR is 4 meter. And hence radius of the semicircles is 2 meter, half of it. To find PQ, PQ would be equal to total length is 26 meters minus 3 meters minus 3 meters and minus the radii of these two circles. You can see this and this also has to be reduced. So as we have calculated, R is equal to 2 meters. So this is 2 meter, this is 2 meter. So total, so to get PQ, I have to subtract 3 plus 2, 2 times. 3 plus 2, 3 plus 2, that is 5. So I have to subtract 2 times 5 from 26. So PQ is 16 meters. Now we can find the required areas. So area 1 plus area 3. These are two semicircles. So if we combine them, because they have the same radii, if we combine them, we'll get one circle. So, or you can write it like this, 2 times 1 by 2 pi r square. R is 2 meters. So 2 times 2. Or this is equal to 4 pi. meter square. Area 2 is PQ times QR. PQ we have already calculated 16 meters. QR we have already calculated 4 meter. So it is 64 meter square. And therefore, required area, that is area of shaded region, is equal to AB times BC minus 64 plus 4 5. AB times BC is 26 times 12 minus 64 minus 4 5. All this is equal to 12 6 are 72, 24 and 7 is 312 minus 64 minus 4 5. Again subtracted 8 4 2. So 248 minus 4 5. 248 minus 4 5 meter square. This is the required area. Since value of pi is not given here, so there is no need to substitute value of pi. If it is given 3.14 or 22/7, that is approximate value of pi in the question, then you have to substitute that value. Otherwise, you can leave your answer as it is. I hope this is clear to you. Thank you.